Icy roads, highway rear ends, and tons more vehicular chaos is coming up on today's episode of
Wham, Bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
Christopher was driving his Model Y one night when he watched a Mercedes driver wreck at over 80 miles per hour. The Mercedes had been speeding down the shoulder when the driver lost control before smashing into a light pole and a sign. Christopher called 911 and reported the incident to the police, providing them with his Teslacam footage so they could properly document the well-deserved wreck. Kurt and his wife were on their way home from the gym one night and were only seconds away from reaching their house. Suddenly, a young driver going too fast for the snowy conditions lost control before smashing into Kurt's Model X head-on. Police and paramedics both responded, but surprisingly, nobody was seriously hurt. Kenny was driving his Model 3 in downtown San Francisco when he made a right turn through an intersection, but so did the driver of a dump truck in the other lane. Both drivers stopped and exchanged information. The initial estimate to repair Kenny's Model S is $16,000 US. Carlos and his family were on their way home after lunch in his 2-month-old Model Y, driving casually along a little slower than the speed limit. As they approached a pedestrian bridge, a red Dodge Shadow ahead of them in the passing lane suddenly drove into the median barrier. When Carlos noticed a tow truck driver turning around to help, he continued on his way. Ishmael was driving his family home from a birthday party in his Model Y when he noticed traffic up ahead slowing to a stop, so he left himself plenty of distance from the car in front of him. Suddenly, the Toyota Camry swerved left as the driver tried to avoid rear-ending a black Chevy Cruze, but it was too late. After the impact, both drivers were able to maneuver their vehicles off the highway and into the breakdown lane. Ishmael told us he loves Wham Bam Teslacam and Wham Bam Dashcam. Did you know we have another channel featuring footage from all kinds of vehicles? Be sure to check it out and send us your dashcam footage. Nico was driving his Tesla Model Y when he spotted an oncoming Mercedes driver waiting to make a left turn across traffic. As other vehicles lined up behind the Mercedes, the driver of a pickup truck suddenly swerved to avoid rear-ending an SUV, nearly colliding head-on with Nico's Tesla. It's hard to tell, but it looks like the driver of the white SUV might have slammed on the brakes at the last second, giving the pickup driver little time to react. Thankfully, Nico managed to swerve around the pickup, and this ended up being nothing more than a scary close call. Laszlo was waiting for his light to turn green at a busy intersection in Florida when another driver ran the red light, nearly struck a pickup truck, then slammed into a Model Y and a Honda. Laszlo stopped and provided a copy of his Teslacam footage to a Broward County Sheriff's deputy who had stopped after spotting the wreckage just moments after the collision occurred. Abba was on his way to work one Monday morning, driving manually. He told us he doesn't trust his Model 3's full self-driving since it only has the Hardware 3 computer and cameras. Suddenly, he spotted a van driver failing to yield as he turned into his path, so he swerved out of the way to avoid a collision. Sadly, that wasn't enough to avoid getting sideswiped as the van driver turned wide and collided with Abba's Model 3 anyway. Abba told us the van driver was very nice at first, seemingly concerned for Abba's safety and wanting to make sure he was okay. Then, he told Abba he needed to get his insurance information because the collision was Abba's fault. Abba said the van driver was very confident in his accusation right up until Abba showed him this Teslacam footage. After that, he changed his tune right away. Andrew was pulling a camping trailer with his Model X when he had to stop for a school bus that was picking up students. While Andrew waited patiently, a Camaro driver stuck in traffic behind him decided he was way too important for that, and he used the oncoming lane to jump the line and pull up right next to Andrew. The moment the bus driver turned off the red flashing lights, the Camaro driver floored the gas pedal and sped down the oncoming lane to cut in front of the school bus. Andrew saved the Teslacam footage, then sent a copy of it to the police. And to Wham Bam Teslacam, of course. Send us your footage using the link in the description. Steven was enjoying some coffee when he suddenly received an alarming notification. When he opened his Sentry mode footage, he discovered that a blue tarp on a passing truck had scraped his Tesla's side mirror, leaving a blue mark. When Steven showed his Sentry mode footage to the police, they agreed with him that the driver of the truck probably hadn't realized that contact had been made. Even so, an officer contacted the truck driver and got his insurance information for Steven. The other driver was skeptical of Steven's claims until he was shown the Sentry mode footage and photos. After that, he agreed to pay to repair the damage. Tesla finished fixing the mirror a few days ago, which cost about $550 US. Greg had just left his church's parking lot on Resurrection Sunday. A minute later, he encountered another driver making an illegal U-turn, evidently without bothering to check for traffic. Incredibly, Greg's evasive maneuver allowed him to avoid being struck by the turning SUV. He told us he was in shock as he continued home. Meanwhile, the other driver sped off in the other direction. Patrick was driving his Cybertruck when he experienced a road rage incident. When the traffic light turned green, the driver of a white pickup with a cartoonishly large tailpipe rolled coal. Thankfully, that was all that happened. Patrick kept driving behind the other pickup without any further incident. Patrick was driving past a high school when the driver of a white pickup passed him, then tried rolling coal. But his plan backfired when he nearly struck an SUV that had pulled onto the road. Thankfully, the two drivers avoided a collision, but hopefully the pickup driver will think twice the next time he wants to fart dinosaurs. After all, it's not like he's driving a Cybertruck. Those stamped body panels are fragile. Nick went to pass a dump truck hauling a skid steer on a trailer as he made his way down a highway in his Model 3. Suddenly, the truck's tires launched a massive rock directly into Nick's Tesla. Thankfully, while it did strike the driver's side A-pillar, it didn't hit the windshield. Sadly, Nick's Teslacam didn't capture the truck's license plate number. He's still trying to get the truck driver's information so he can make a police report and get the damage fixed. Shanglin was waiting at an intersection in his Model Y when he watched a snowplow driver attempting to clear a sidewalk and having a difficult time of it. In fact, the snowplow driver took out a street sign as they tried hard to climb over a pile of snow. Thankfully, a few days later, Shanglin noticed the street sign had been replaced.
Jump in! Honda bumped! Honda bumped!
Abimael had left his Tesla Model 3 in a supermarket parking lot when it was struck by a Honda. The Honda driver exited his vehicle to inspect the damage before attempting to wipe the deep scratch off Abimael's Tesla. After Plan A failed, the Honda driver went to Plan B, driving away without leaving any contact information. Thankfully, Abimael has clear footage of the driver, his vehicle, and its license plate, so he's hopeful he'll be able to identify the driver. Justin was getting ready to make a left turn through an intersection when drivers in the neighboring lane left a gap in traffic, allowing a Dodge driver to pull out blindly, nearly T-boning Justin's Model Y. Thankfully, Justin noticed the Dodge Charger and was able to swerve to avoid being hit. Even so, the two vehicles came way too close for comfort before the other driver turned and sped away. This subscriber had just left home in his Model 3 and was approaching an intersection when he slowed down for a speed bump. Suddenly, two girls riding an electric scooter turned through the intersection way too fast, nearly colliding with our subscriber's Tesla before toppling over. Thankfully, they weren't injured as they were able to quickly get back on the scooter and ride away. Michael was driving his Model 3 when he stopped to buy something at a gas station, and we're assuming it wasn't gas. As he exited his car, he heard a loud bang as he watched a car drive through a sign and into a ditch. Michael immediately ran to the car to check on the driver, as did others. Thankfully, he was unhurt, but he was clearly distraught. Michael said he kept repeating, "I did nothing wrong. Someone cut right out in front of me." Michael told us the reaction was understandable, especially considering the driver was elderly. When police responded, Michael showed them his Teslacam footage and they gave him an email address and asked him to send them a copy. Clint was driving his Model 3 before the sun came up one morning, on his way to a 5K about an hour away. That's when he noticed what seemed to be a rather smelly neighbor enjoying the darkness. Thankfully, when the skunk appeared in his path, Clint was able to stop and let it get out of the way before continuing. If you want to see more crazy Teslacam moments, why not check out this video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy? Don't forget to send us your own Teslacam and Sentry mode footage using the link in the description, and we'll see you again next week.